On your screen. We're going to come back to this, but first up, let's talk about the commodity space now. Manisha joins us. Manisha, what are you tracking today?
Well, I'm high on coal right now because we've seen this commodity outperform the overall energy pack and actually most of the other commodities as well. 21% up in the month of December, and we are up nearly 140% in this current year. There have been various reasons for that. I'll come to that. But first of all, the report card for 2022, and we started this year with around $157 per ton, and that has been the low for this year as well. All-time high at $450 per ton. That was in the month of September, and currently trading at around $405 there. But let me tell you that there have been various reasons for the prices to continue to keep firm above $400, majorly because Europe is staring at a shortage of gas for power generation, and coal is clearly being in use there. And then you have India, where we have seen strong demand for thermal coal that has been supporting prices. And apart from that, a lot of mines in Australia have been hit because of the floods there. So names like Glencore, BHP and Anglo American all have talked about lower mining numbers, and that has been supportive. Also, when you look at the IEA report that summarizes 2022 quite well, they say that the global coal demand has hit an all-time highs in this current year. They also talk about the fact that the investments have been on the lower side, and that the coal demand, while it will decline by 2025, but the next couple of years are expected to see higher demand and higher prices going forward there. China, India, Indonesia are some of the countries which have seen best production, record production actually, for the year 2022. Take a look at Russia then, and that's the third largest coal exporter in the world, and we are looking at numbers continuing to decline there. Last year was 174 million tons, this year 160, and the next year could be even lower at 152. But we have strong numbers when you look at the other producers. Indonesia, for example, is the largest when it comes to thermal coal, and we are looking at 432 last year, 438 this year, and the next year can be at as high as 450 million tons as well. Take a look at the prices then, and that is where the divergence really comes in. Fit Solutions is looking at 280 of an average in the next year, Bank of America at 300, ANZ 361, and an all-time high expectation in sense of prices at $485 per ton is what's coming in from Trading Economics. So it's going to be a choppy, volatile year next year as well, with ranges anywhere between 280 to 485 expected.
And it's a good thing we're going to have you next year to tell us all about the choppy, volatile moves. Manisha,